Hello Click Designers! In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you where and how you can locate and or access all of your presentation marketing post templates on your ClickDesigns Marketing Kit. So your ClickDesigns Marketing Kit does depend on the access level that you have on your account. So once you've logged into your ClickDesigns and are on your dashboard, simply hover your mouse over to the template section and click on that. So once you've clicked on your templates, you'll be able to easily see different types of categories for different graphic templates. So over here, just click on this arrow button and browse until you come across a category that reads marketing. So click on that. And once you click on marketing, you'll be able to easily see even more categories of different types of platforms. So here we have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, YouTube, Presentation, Fiverr, and Upwork. So for this tutorial, we are going to be looking at the presentation templates. So just hover your mouse over to presentation and click on that. So once you click on the presentation category, you'll be able to look through different types of very diverse and very unique templates for a presentation. Over here on the side, to make things easier, we have even more categories of different types of pitch decks. So we have pitch deck 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, all in the same dimensions. So let's look through them. So the first one is pitch deck 1. So when you click on that, it'll show you different types of slides or different types of templates for a pitch deck 1 presentation. Next, let's go to pitch deck 2. So again, we have a different type of template over here, different types of slides for a marketing presentation. Next, let's go to pitch deck 3. So that's the same thing. We have different types of options and designs to choose from. Next, pitch deck 4. So same thing over here, just wait for that to load up and it'll show you all of the options. And then lastly, pitch deck 5. So this is the last category that we have for the presentation marketing templates. So that is it. That is exactly how you can access and locate all of your presentation post templates on your ClickDesigns Marketing Kit. So thank you so much, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.